how to change the look and feel of Kodi. So go up into settings and then go to interface. And for me, all I did was just change the color to maroon. And that looks a little bit like that's suitable for me. But if you want to make even more changes, let me just go back and show you what that looks like. So there we are. But if you want to go back and change it and import some skins that probably might look a bit like that Netflix, you press skin and you'll need to import Arctic Zephyr Reloaded. So if you want to press that and navigate into that, then it all loads up its own skin. And there you have that then. That looks supposedly anyway like the Netflix look and feel, and you can navigate over there to change the interface there and go through teams as well, etc., and just play around with it, I suppose. For me, I tend to prefer just the standard, just changing it to maroon. Let me go down there again into colors and maroon. That's good enough for me. And so that is basically it. That's how to configure Kodi background. And if you want to stop that annoying click every time you press buttons, just go into settings again and then click on system and audio and then navigate across. Play GUI sounds only when playback stopped, never. And there we are, all stopped. And that is it. So let's just test out this there. And now the other thing here I like is the fact that you can jump into the next chapter by pressing the up. And you can see it there on the top left hand screen. And you can also configure the subtitling. So to configure the subtitling, you'll need to go down into the actual video, press the enter, and then go across. Now let me just do that there now. So I press the middle, then I go down, you can see it down there, and then you navigate across to subtitles, enable subtitles, switch that off, subtitle off, subtitle, and that's basically it. Set for all media. This will reset previously value sure. And that is it. So now if we jump out, press pause. Let's go into where's daughter. Let's see if that pops up. And again, press forward, the top button. Press it again. And let's just press it again there. Well, there's not much dialogue now, it seems, in this. This is more, we'll still find something. Yeah, that's very much a cinematic style of picture. Here we are. Surely he's going to speak. There we are. So we've set the default of the subtitling as well, which is default switch on. So that's it. Thank you for watching.